MTD Network this week. Well, first of all, I only got 2 minutes, so I'm going to have to speak quick, and we've got some new technology, so the show is going to be even slicker than usual, so watch and learn. Anyway, as you know, you're not going to say, first of all, got any inquiries, red button, request a quote, get those components manufactured. If you want to join MTD Network, hit the blue button, join up, get in contact with me. If you're already on MTD Network, sign into your cockpit and you can see all the inquiries that have been coming through. And when we're talking inquiries, I'm only going to say inquiries, inquiries, inquiries. Actually, that's not all I'm going to say, because last week I mentioned 500 off, 1,000 off. This week we've got an inquiry, 1 million parts. So if you're interested in that, either sign into your cockpit or join MTD Network. So that's the way to go. Now, what's been going on? Beard and Fitch, known for their gear making. Well, they've actually been making some sprockets this time. So have a look at that article. We've got Honal. Now, they're known for their boring, their honing, but this week, a bit of industrial roller making. So they've got a guide on that. Have a look at that. Loftlock, our friends at Jim and Kevin, commissioned 10 new machines. So we're off to film that next week. And they're upgrading their ISO 9100C aerospace accreditation to 9100D. Easy for me to remember. What else has been going on? Reese at 3D Print and Scan. If you need any 3D printing going on, then get in line with him. You can do some on-line quotes. Now, I mentioned inquiries. DKW, Carl there has won a great bit of work out of one of the inquiries we've got. So well done, Carl. Look forward to seeing those components. Moving on. Now, what's trending? Well, this week, safety in sailing is paramount. Reese at 3D Print and Scan has made some safety devices for sailors. So great work there, Reese. Rend, now they've done some 3D printing, some gear casing. So a nice component there. Have a look at that. We've got Holford Engineering showcasing their machine shop. It's a great machine shop, great video, some huge parts. So have a look at that if you need some milling and turning. We've also got Reese again. He's been busy, hasn't he? 3D Print and Scan, 3D printing and engine. And that's a working engine. So nice little story there. And then we've got some laser marking and etching. That's our friend Dan at Bucks Laser Tech. So if you need any of that, get in contact. That's about it for this week. Like I said, have to speak quickly, only got 2 minutes. But you know what I'm going to say? If you've got any components that need making, hit the red button, submit that quote. If you want to join MTD Network, blue button, get in contact with me and we'll get you signed up. That's it. We'll see you soon.